Meet Captain Alex aboard a pixelated ship where outdated tools reign supreme. A crew member battles with old work methods, struggling to keep up. These inefficient methods highlight the urgent need for modernization. Frustration mounts as the crew grapples with outdated methods. Captain Alex ponders solutions, envisioning a brighter future. The introduction of innovative tools sparks hope for change. When he founds about WAYL software, all processes started to become more efficient. WAYL have simplified Alex's fleet management with features like automated maintenance, real-time analytics, and crew management module. Now Alex is on top of the operations control, and planning becomes a dream for him. In 3 clicks, he can create a new tasks, check all history of works, as well as send payslips. So he is no looking further. He starts to test it on his fleet. The pixelated ship is transformed. The crew members now easily handle maintenance using handheld tablets connected to the WAYL system. The interface shows alerts and orders just keep coming. As Alex starts to familiarize himself with processes, more questions are popping up, so he is waiting no longer and calls to support team as it is working 24/7 and working free of charge. In conversation with support team, he shared his thoughts about the system and asked can he calculate his budget in advance. Answer he had was yes, sure. Budget module was explained. As it is directly involved in purchasing and crew modules, the efficiency of planning was increased. WAYL team have helped Alex to integrate all his data from previous systems he held, so no more scrambling for Alex to meet regulations or guessing when the next audit is due. WAYL ensures that compliance and maintenance schedules are handled effortlessly, reducing risks and downtime. The once chaotic ship is now a model of efficiency, smoothly sailing across calm seas. The crew works happily, using WAYL to handle logistics, safety checks, and reporting. Predictive maintenance dashboard makes their workflow a dream. While system synchronizes automatically, Captain Alex no longer worries about outdated tools or last-minute surprises. With WAYL, he has full control over his fleet's operations, knowing that everything is running efficiently. As system will notify when something is due. WAYL isn't just software, it's a complete transformation. By adopting the future of ship management, Alex can now focus on what truly matters, leading his fleet into a successful, sustainable future. As the WAYL system is certified by RENA and offers comprehensive training and analysis of existing systems, a smooth transition to the WAYL software is guaranteed. Get a demo today by visiting our website. Join Captain Alex and many others who've revolutionized their fleets with WAYL.